Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a hairstyle on myself. What you need for this hairstyle are just 2 hair ties. You can take these more comfortable ones and some bobby pins. And I'm just back combing my hair. You can also have a part line, like I just let it fall naturally, and I'm taking the hair from above my ear and then just going diagonally to the back of my head. I'm grabbing more or less a good third of all of my hair. So make sure that you have the sides in this little ponytail. It's like a half-up style, and you see it's above the ear, straight, slightly diagonally on the top. And then I take the smaller hair tie, and I'm not doing this little ponytail too tight, just bringing the hair tie twice around, then loosening it up. I make a gap in the middle and I bring the ponytail, flipping it from under through the top, and like this I create a nice movement in the hair, and with my natural grace it makes one can see better the different colors, because under the top hair I still have my original hair color. And then I split this ponytail into 3 strands, and I'm going to do a Dutch braid. So right goes under the middle strand, left goes under the middle strand, separating the strands always with my fingers. And after the first stitch I'm adding hair, now from the right hand side, then left goes under the middle, and I bring in some extra hair from the left hand side, and then again right goes under, grab the hair between your fingers and slide it to the strands where you're braiding, and I'm braiding a bit more to the left hand side. You will see now why. And then keep on doing, it's like regular Dutch braid with adding in strands, so una trenza postiza, I don't know, Dutch braid. And I'm braiding as much as I can down, and then I'm taking a little elastic to tie off this braid. And now you see why I braided a bit more to the left, because I'm pulling now to the right, and I'm opening the braid on the top and I'm hiding the end under it. And now I'm taking bobby pins, grabbing, I bring them the other way around. You see the longer part grabs hair from the top, and I bring them inside to fix the hair with the bobby pins. You don't need many, just 4 or 5, because the braid itself holds good in place. I'm pulling a bit at the outer edges, and that's the final result. Classy updo and super quick done. Holds in the whole day. Hope you like it. See you back soon. Bye bye.